In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook dating not showing. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Basically, Facebook dating is a feature within the Facebook platform that allows users to create a separate dating profile, interact with others, and potentially find romantic connections based on shared interest, events attended, groups, and more. It's integrated into the main Facebook app but operates independently within its own space. Now, if you are encountering issues with the Facebook dating, it's not showing up or not working as expected, so we can make some small troubleshooting. Now, first, you need to log into your Facebook account. Normally, Facebook dating should appear on the left part here. Now, since I can't see it right here, see more, but it's still not showing. So, first off, you need to check the eligibility and availability. Ensure that the Facebook dating app is available in your region because it might not be accessible in all locations. So, if your Facebook account meets the criteria for using Facebook dating, normally users must be 18 years old or older can access it. All right. So, or step two, on your mobile device, make sure your Facebook app is updated to the latest version. You know, sometimes outdated versions can cause compatibility issues with features like Facebook dating. Or simply, you can close the app or device, close the Facebook app, complete it, and restart it. Sometimes just a simple restart helps it. And the next on our troubleshooting tips would be clear cache and data. This is only for mobile devices, all right? So on mobile device, clear your cache data for the Facebook app, or you can offload the app itself, right? If it's still not showing, you might want to reinstall the Facebook app, all right? Try uninstalling and reinstalling the Facebook app, and this can often resolve a lot of issues related to bugs, glitches to the app's functionality. And last on our list, if the problem persists, you've tried all your methods, it's still not working, you need to reach out to Facebook support or help center for assistance, and they might be able to provide more specific guidance or solutions to your problems with the Facebook dating not showing on your app. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.